All right, part 5, sort of. I actually had to finish putting the rest of the motor in without filming because I had to really concentrate on this thing because it was a bear. But once I figured it out, I was basically learning as I'm going. So I did have to take the exhaust manifolds off, but if you can see, I still got enough room to put them back. And right now I got my motor mounts loosely installed so I can make my felt adjustment when I put the transmission in. But she's looking pretty in there. Yeah, I know it's right now it's touching right there. That's because I got the jack holding on. But well, you know, I got the jack on the back holding the pan so I could finally put the motor mounts in. But it's not putting any tension to the pan. I just slightly lifted it up. The hoist is actually doing most of the support. But other than that, once she's leveled down, she should sit normally. But man, she's looking good so far. Can't wait for the first fire up. I know you guys are. All right, so until another update, I'll post it soon once I get everything together and see how it's gonna look with everything already installed. So that way you can see how it's see. In case you're doing a project like this on your Astro, you know what to expect. All right.